That's brilliant, Taylor. Well done. It's Baby Whizzy. Greetings, everyone.
What is it, Taylor? What is it, Taylor? Who's that?
This is Bigbury, Whizzy. Bigbury on the sea. Come on, Mr. Chinny.
One.
Strong man of Bigbury.
3.
No! Legend. Your enthusiastic father thinks you can't lift it.
What, this?
Yeah. Show him rod. Show him rod. No! He's got his big ice cream cone with his ice cream.
Oh, I mean, I can move it. I can't lift it.
Big overcooked vegetable chip. Bigbury.
On sea.
What do you see in Bigbury? Are you overheating, sire?
I feel very,
You're overheating, sire.
I feel very violated right now.
Scum! Chocolate scum.
It's behind that headland. Look, you're here, look you.
What do you think, Taylor? Do you like this place?
I think he does.
It's a snail.
Can you see the birds? They'll be well welcoming a courteous dog such as you.